All right, so I totally forgot to start recording, but we are here. This is day third day. We prepped all last night, the majority, like 90% of the stuff. Then this morning we prepped the remaining stuff, and now we're spraying. We got the first coat done downstairs, and then I'm about to start spraying up here. And these windows covering, we're gonna spray everything first, the body, then we're gonna come back and get the trim. And I got a spray shield. And yeah, so he already did the ceiling in here. We got two sprayers. Like I said in my previous video, I have my project, what's this called? Project Painter Plus. And I have an X7 down there that he's using that has a wand. So let's start to praying. I keep saying praying, spraying. Turn this bad boy on. Ugh. Yep. Ooh. Gotta make sure to cover that. All right, this is day 3, I think. We did the like the second coat, third coat. We did the trim. Now we're gonna go back and look for any touch-ups we need to do. So we're going to demask right now. So how we did it this time is that we did the ceiling, we did the walls, and we did the trim last. But we sprayed the trim, so we're just gonna roll and cut into the base of the wall. So you see there's kind of like a difference right there. And we got these spots that bleed in. We just have to go over it one more time. But yeah. So yeah, we're just demasking now. And yep. Tomorrow will be the walkthrough. And he has a leak here too. He has a big leak. It's been here for a while. You can see right here, water damage. And then you can see right here, it probably starts right here. And it was leaking right there. That's where the tape is missing. But yeah, we probably got like maybe 6 more hours of work left. And the stuff right here, this overspray, we have to, just wipe off, put some elbow grease in it. Right here, got to touch up. Oh yeah. All right, day 4. Day 4, final day. We are cleaning up. So we got cleaning machines. Lesson learned, make sure you clean out your machines thoroughly, okay? Get everything out the line, get everything out the suction tube, the drain tube, clean it out. We have it stored in water right now, even though it's a little milky. It's water. We're gonna sweep all this up, get like a Swifter, Gotta put the blinds back. We put some of the blinds back already. It's all our equipment right here. We got 3 bags. Right there. I gotta find a place where I could dump this. One of Home Depot let us dump it. Well, yeah, I'm starting to put back all the face plates right now. Let me just show you guys a trick. A little trick I learned. So before, when I take off the face plates, I'll take off the screw and the faceplate and store it somewhere, right? But then my friend told me, he's like, no, leave the screws in the actual switch. That way you won't lose it. I'm like, oh, that makes so much sense. There's the screw right here. And all you gotta do is put the faceplate on. That way you don't have to find the matching screw. The screw's already in the switch or outlet. There you go. Bam, like that.